All right, so we're going to start here on page 87 today. Okay, so get your workbook out and we'll start on page 87 here. So first we're looking at factors, and it says to write the missing numbers. So here we'll write 2 times 8 and 4 times 9 equals 36. And then 6 times what equals 54? We'll say 9. And then 8 times 8 equals 64. 4 times 10 equals 40. And then I think we got to go over to the column in the right side. We'll do that next. And it says 3 times what is 24? And the factor there is 8. And the factor here should be 6. And what times 7 equals 42? This factor is 6. And then 10 times 9. And 3 times 7 equals 21. All right, so that does it for section 1. There's your answers. And let's move on to section 2. All right, here it says write the missing numbers again. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's say that's 12. And on down the list, 11, 11, 18, and 21 times 3 equals 63. All right, and then moving on here, we should say 3 times 13 is 39. 5 times what is 80? If you need to divide, you could take 80 divided by 5 and figure that out. We'll say it's 16, okay? This one, and again, if you need to divide 98 divided by 7, you'll get the other factor, which you'll find to be 14, hopefully. And here you used to get 22 times 2 equals 44. And for the last one, you might need to divide that as well. You could take 85 divided by 5, and you should get 17. And that does it for page 87. Okay, so let's take a look at those answers once more time, and that's the whole page 87. All right, let's move on. And if you want to move on to page 88, we'll go there next. All right, we have here page 88. It says write the missing numbers again. Here we need to say the first one is 24 equals 1 times 24. The next one is 2 times 12. These look like all the factors of 24, actually, or most of them anyway. We should say 3 times 8, and this should be 6. So that looks like all the factors now. We have the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to find the missing ones from that list. What didn't they include? That the numbers here we need to put in. So we should say 6, 8, and then on down we should say 12 and 24. Okay, so 12 and 24. There we go. We got that section done. So it's 6, 8, 12, and 24 are the missing factors there. On down to B, we should say 16 equals 1 times 16. 2 times 8 equals 16, and 4 times 4 equals 16. So the missing factors there should be 8 and 16. All right, I think we got it. And the last one here, let's see if we can finish it off. We have 1 times what equals 56? We say 56. Next one, we should say 2 times 28 equals 56. And then 14. And then 8 times 7 equals 56. So the missing factors there are 8